I'm going down to South Park, gonna have myself a time.
This is the most adorable animal ever. Aw, look at you.
Oh my God! You are cute!
Never fear, madam. Secret Squirrel has just what you need right here. Wait! I didn't even pull it out yet.
Hey, Dad, that was the best part!
Mr. Dexter's dad.
So activate your guidance chip and lead the way to home.
Let's all calm down. This is no time for panic. It's just a door, you ninny.
Well, if you ever want to see the color of your children's eyes, you'll have to pray to me.
Hi, Patricia. I drew this for you. The likeness is uncanny, if I do say so myself.
Ladies of Trevorton, here he is, every girl's dreamboat, Brad!
Wait a minute. You mean the Simply Sperm Bank?
Oh, you've heard of it?
Heard of it? I'm a card-carrying member. That drive-through window with the strap-on pneumatic pump? Oh, so many memories.
We now return to Doctor Who Farted.
Tonight's homework! Homework!
Oh, how delightfully dramatic.
Please. They should save the drama for their mamas.
Hey, Lex, I think I smell an in your fucking face coming.